poetry, and I thought I would go over the books with you guys. So this one over here says My Side of the Street. Let's see. So you have that one. That's pretty cool. Okay, Dark at the Crossings. Let's see what that one looks like. Okay. Then you have The Mad Woman Upstairs. That sounds interesting. Catherine Lau. Okay, this one says Baby Care, Day by Day. Then The Awakening. Let me just show you that. That's what that looks like. And you have My Life to Live. You've seen that. And then After Iris. I don't think I've showed you that. That one seems new. Vigilance. Old School. Kathy Griffin. I think if I spot something new, guys, let me see. The Men in My Life. I think that might be new. So then we have here Sprinkle Glitter on My Grave. I think I might have showed you that before. The Long Run. Lose Your Final 15. The 11th Grave in Moonlight. Okay, let's see. Then we have this one. Success is the Only Option. Okay. Neat Hooked. Contrary Motion. Music of the Ghosts. Indomitable. Did I say that right? I hope so. A Different Kind of Evil. I don't know. Food Facts. How to Get Filthy Rich in Rising Asia. Long Game. Blackwing. Only Wounded. Being a Dad is Weird. Scarlett Epstein Hates It Here. Sprinkle Glitter on My Grave. No. In Wartime. I wonder if this one is new. Stories from Ukraine. Tim Judah. That might have been a new book. That one says Black Mall. Okay. Let's see. I don't think I see anything else there. So down here, guys, we have It's Not About Perfect. This is Where the World Ends. Okay. Then this is Beneath the Bonfire. The Man Who Shot Out My Eye Is Dead. Linda, what is that one? Shiver Hitch. My Life to Live. Summer Unscripted. Agnostic, A Spirited Manifesto. Monsters of Ivy League. Class Doctor. So let me see. The Awakening, The Speaker, Stolen Beauty, Buffering. Okay, guys. Let me come down here. Let me see. Class. What is this one over here? Range of Motion. A Mood Apart. Depression, Mania, and Other Afflictions of the Self. Okay. I haven't seen that one either, guys. This one is A Mood Apart. Monica Murphy, Stealing Rose. And this one says We Are Still Tornadoes. These are all new, guys. Ringer. They sound like I haven't read these to you guys before. This is a memoir of addiction and redemption through wellness. That's interesting. The Secret Sky, The Present Heart, Freedom, A Book of Firsts. Live Fast, Die Hot. Live fast, die hard. Okay. Okay, let's see. My side of the street. This is where the world ends. Fail you. Okay. So then down here we have that chef's library. And then we have some kids coloring books down here, guys. Okay. So then, I don't think I missed anything up here. Let's see. No, that one says mad, no good deed, breaking in. Those are a little bit too high up for me to bring these down. So, let's see. Can't see anything on this side. Let me see. I'll bring these down. Then these right here. Okay, this is not new. And then let me see what that one says. Let's see. The adventures in several quarters of the world. That sounds interesting. And that's all I can reach, guys. So thank you for coming with me, guys, to the Dollar Tree to scan through their books, and I will see you guys in another video.